Hello guys, it is Sunday night right now. We ordered Dairy Queen today. My dad went and picked it up. Every time we go to Dairy Queen, I tell my dad I want a large cookie dough blizzard with chocolate ice cream. I never get a large, I always get a small. Today, for some reason, he got me a large, and I'm literally so happy.
I thought I had it all together, but I was led astray. The day you walked away, you were the clock that was ticking in my heart. Changed my state of mind, but love's so hard to find. Your feelings changed like the weather. Went from clear to gray, all that night and day. How can I go on with a cup falling apart? Love's so hard to find when someone's on your mind. Listen, baby, listen, baby, listen, baby, listen, baby.
Daily.
Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that.
Look how big this chicken nugget is.
I'm literally so bad at opening cards. I like ripped the whole thing. Aww. We're doing a adopt a senior thing for my school. I feel like a lot of schools are doing it. It's super cool and we've been getting gifts and it's making me really happy. Alright. Oreo Thins white fudge dipped. Those sound so good. I've always wanted to try this lemonade. This specific brand, I've seen it all over like Visco, and I wanted to try it. I've been very bad at explaining things recently. Today I woke up, did a ton of paperwork for college. It's like 3, I think, right now. It's 4, and I'm about to go work out again, and then I have dance later, so. Parkour, part 3. Exactly 22 hours and 12 seconds since I finished my workout yesterday. Alright, we're pumping out the 2-pound weights now. Can barely lift them. It's literally raining now. Hopefully it just doesn't downpour. I actually wanted to downpour. I want to lay in the driveway while it's like pouring rain. Hopefully it can wait 2 minutes. It can't. I literally have to do this for a minute. We were doing the opposite side. I would have just stopped, but it's the other leg. Done. Every single day I think I'm like, oh yeah, I got this in the bag, and then I struggle. Alright, I'm gonna do this every day, and I'm gonna have a compilation of me. Compilation? That's how you say it. I always feel so awkward when I do this. Oh, it's not fine. Alright guys, I just got out of my shower, but I saw this TikTok. These paints are really thick, so I feel like it's gonna be hard to cut. Alright, and you're supposed to go like this. Okay, it's super cropped. I feel like it could be bad. You can definitely tell if they're pants. But I feel like you can't though. I feel like that's so cute.
I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn. But I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer. Gonna spend it like no other. It was a my day as